Hey, Kane here, coming to you direct from Nudie HQ here in Gothenburg, Sweden. This week we are releasing our annual sustainability report. This is a huge thing in our world, so we thought we'd take you through some of the basics. Let's go.
Are you ready? Yeah.
Okay, Karl. So your top 5 reasons for why repairs matter.
Sure. It prolongs the life of the jeans, which is basically the most sustainable thing you can do. Last year, we repaired around 42,500 pairs of jeans, which in theory means we saved around 34,000 kilos of fabric from ending up in landfill, and saved 14.6 million litres of water from being used to produce new jeans. And finally, it looks real nice. You're basically creating tomorrow's vintage.
Wow, thank you, Karl. And so there you have it. If you'd like to learn more about the meticulous, extensive work we do regarding sustainability, you can go to nudiejeans.com now to view the full annual sustainability report. Thank you.